So the lab that the AP Physics students were doing involved something called a conical pendulum, which is basically this, an object moving in a circle, pendulum, and you can see that that pattern sort of makes a cone if you look at the string. And they had to develop a procedure that allowed them to take measurements of the conical pendulum and its circular motion and use those measurements in order to calculate gravitational acceleration in the lab. They had to develop their own procedure to do that. They took measurements, and then they had to perform calculations, and then they had to do like a percent error comparison between the gravitational acceleration they find and the known gravitational acceleration, which is, of course, negative 9.8 meters per second squared. The fun thing about the lab is that the conical pendulum they use is actually a little flying pig. So the pig flies in a little circle, and they have to take measurements from that, because if you have to deal with the conical pendulum, you might as well have a flying pig while you're doing it. This is an AP Physics level lab, because the Regents level kids do not deal with conical pendulums. They deal with, you know, your nice normal kind of pendulum, but conical pendulum and the assessment of forces in the two planes is kind of a level above the regular physics.